Do you want to read this book? Let's look at this. Oh, what's on this page? Is it a teddy bear? And a flower? Look at the baby. Next page. Where's the rubber ducky? Look at the rubber ducky. Yeah. And look, there's a fish. Fish. Yeah. What's here? Look at the buttons. And there's a cat. Meow. Oh, look at the little boy. And there's a tractor. This is the blue page. Yeah. Look, on the green page we have the lizard. We have a pear. We have a froggy. What's on the purple page? There's a spoon, just like your spoon. That's right. And the flowers. Did you like the flowers? What's this? This is the pink page. Yeah, that's a wig. And this little baby in a tutu. Yeah. Look at the orangutan. And the horse. What's on this page, Isla? Paint splash. And a tire. Yeah, you like the tire, don't you? And the rabbit. What's here? Oh, is that a zipper? You like zippers. What's on the gold page? We have coins and gold bars and a picture frame. What's on this page? Some hands. Look, Ina has some socks. Yeah. What about here? What do we have? There's a doggy and the box. You like the box. Good job, baby. Nope, it's finished.